واتبعوا ما تتلو الشياطين على ملك سليمان وما كفر سليمان ولكن الشياطين كفروا يعلمون الناس السحر وما أنزل على الملكين ببابل هاروت وماروت.
Studying magic, practicing magic, and believing in magic is kufr. You cannot be a Muslim.
Magic is real. Magic involves asking the jinns to do something for you.
Does black magic exist? It's not like we believe in magic like to do the magic, but we have to believe that it exists.
And the people of ancient Babylon were known for a particular kind of magic.
Do we know jinn kind? Yes, we know them. The Sunnah and the Quran has taught us everything about them. In fact, if you study the whole jinn kinds, you can get to know them just like your own neighbors. Yes, we can see them, but not in their original form. In fact, they have been seen by the Sahaba Ajma'een and by the people who are even alive today, but not in the original form. Jinn can take multiple forms, in the form of snake, in the form of human being, but we cannot see them in the original form.
If you were to read the Quran, 51 times the word magic is mentioned.
And they never, ever, ever are successful in what they do. Don't think that they live in caves. You know, they go to the caves to learn their magic, and then they come back from the cave and the guy grows a nice long beard, because this is how they get their business.